Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Social Pie. So guys, today in this video we are going to talk about integrating the three basic trigonometric functions, okay? Namely sine, cosine and tangent, okay? So we will integrate these three functions in this video. So let's start the video. Okay guys, so first we are going to integrate sine x, okay? So integral of sine x dx, okay? So sin x in a term of e to the x, sin x is equals to e to the ix minus e to the negative ix all over 2i. Okay, so it's e to the ix minus e to the negative ix all over 2i. Now if we integrate this, we'll get the answer of integral of this. So let's integrate. It's integral of e to the ix minus e to the negative ix all over 2i dx. Okay, now now 1 upon 2i is the constant. Okay, so we can factor it out. So it is 1 upon 2i into integral of e to the ix minus e to the negative ix, okay, dx. Now here we will be integrating this part and this part, so we will get 1 upon 2i 1 upon 2i integral of e to the ix, we get e to the ix upon I. We get I because we are applying a chain rule here, minus e to the negative ix all over negative I, applying a chain rule, plus c. Now minus into minus we get a plus, and I we can factor out, so we'll get 1 upon 2i into 1 upon I into e to the ix minus e to the negative ix plus c. I into I, we get negative 1 by 2, it's e to the ix minus e to the negative ix, okay, which is e to the ix minus e to the negative ix all over 2. Now this guys, this this is the um this is the e to the x version of cosine x, okay? Like sin x we have this formula e to the ix minus e to negative ix all over 2i. Same as for cosine x, this is, okay, plus c. So we can say that this is negative cosine x plus c, and this is our final solution. Okay, okay, from now here we will be integrating cosine x. Okay, integral of cosine x dx. Okay, now in the last question we saw that the value of cosine x in term of e to the x, it's e to the ix plus e to the negative ix all over 2. Okay, so we will integrate in this, so we will get integral of e to the ix plus e to the negative ix all over 2 dx. Okay, from here we will factor of 1 upon 2 into e to the ix plus e to the negative ix plus, no, plus, not plus c. Okay, so now integrating this part, we get 1 upon 2 into e to the ix over I plus e to the negative ix over negative I, you know, by using the chain rule, plus c. Now positive into negative, that's a negative, and taking I as common, we get 1 upon 2 into 1 upon I into e to the ix, it's a negative here, e to the negative ix. Okay, and that's a plus c here. Now it's e to the ix minus e to the negative ix all over 2I plus c. E to the ix minus e to the negative ix over 2I. This is the form of e to the x form of sin x. Okay, so we will get sin x plus c. So this is our final solution. Okay, and lastly guys, we are going to integrate tangent x. Okay, so integral of tangent x, we are going to solve this by u sub. Okay, so integral of tangent is sin x upon cosine x, sin x upon cosine x dx. Okay, so from here let u equals to, let u equals to cosine x. Okay, let u is equals to cosine x. Differentiating both the sides, we will get du is equals to integral of the derivative of cosine x is negative sin x. Okay, negative sin x. Okay, and it's dx. So from here dx is equals to du upon negative sin x. Okay, now if we substitute now, we will get integral of sin x upon u, because cosine x is over u here. Okay, so it's upon u into du upon negative sin x. Okay, sin x and sin x cancelled. Taking this negative outside, we will get negative integral of 1 upon u dx du. Okay, now integrating this, we get negative ln of natural log of absolute value of u plus c. Now this is in u terms. Okay, so let's convert back to x terms. We'll get negative ln of natural log of cosine x, because our u was originally cosine x. Okay, so we'll get plus c here. Now if we wish to remove this negative sign here, what we have to do is, it's natural log of here the cosine x and to the power of minus 1 here. Okay, plus c. So you'll get natural log of, okay, this negative 1 here is not the inverse of cosine x. Okay, is the exponent here. Okay, so we'll get absolute value of 1 upon cosine x plus c. Natural log of 1 upon cosine x, that is secant x. Okay, plus c. And this is our final solution. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like and share. Please, it's my humble request, please share my videos to all your friends. Sharing is the best way you can help me in growing my channel. Okay, so thank you.